Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the RAVPower 6700 milliamp hour power bank. So what this is a super tiny power bank that is also lightweight and can power your phone around 2 times. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. It comes in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Top we have some marketing material, owner's manual and quick start guide, the actual power bank right here. Then we have a micro USB to USB cable for charging the power bank as well as charging devices with the power bank. Last thing we have in the box is a nice carrying case. In this pouch, you can fit the device and some extra cables, and you can cinch it closed. You don't have to worry about them getting lost or even getting damaged because this will protect them. Let's take a closer look at the 6700 milliamp hour power bank from RAVPower. So as you can see, a very nice build quality of the plastic. It's actually not too large. I would say about 3 inches long and maybe an inch, inch and a half wide. So not bad at all. This is going to fit in your purse, your pocket, backpack, anything like that without any issue. On the top here we have a nice RAVPower logo, and that is etched in, so you get some nice texture there. And then we have 4 indicator lights on the top, as you can see right there. And this shows you the charge level of the power bank. On the front side we have the input micro USB connector, and then the output, which is just USB. And these connectors are all laid within the device, so you don't have to worry about them snagging or getting broken, anything like that. One more thing I want to say about this output connector, this is a 2.4 amp out, so that's going to enable quick charging, and apparently this device has what's called iSmart technology, so it'll identify your phone and then output the best current for your phone. On the right side we have a power button, and that'll just turn on the lights right here and also begins the charge. One thing to note, if nothing's plugged in, this is not using that much power and it'll just simply time out like it did right there. So you don't have to worry about turning it off or anything like that. It's a very simple power bank and there's really nothing else. We have a little bit of specs right here and I'll go ahead and show that to you. You can see what it looks like. So now that we've taken a look all around at the device, I'm going to plug it into my cell phone and we'll see what kind of charge we're getting. All right, so now I'm going to use the provided cable to test out the power bank and the output coming from it. All right, on my cell phone, I'm running an app called Anker. That's going to measure the output from the power bank into my cell phone. So as you can see here, we're getting almost 1,000 milliamps from the device to my cell phone, which is going to provide a very quick charge. Very happy with that with such a small device. Real quick, I want to take a closer look at some of the accessories. As you can see, the cable actually has a RAVPower logo on it, so that's very cool. The protective pouch here actually has a RAVPower logo on it as well. Let's go ahead and show it with the device in there so you get a quick look to see what it looks like. So as you can see, a ton of room left in there. You could fit a couple different charging cables if you wanted to have one for an iPhone and then a micro USB as well. All right, so that was the RAVPower 6700 milliamp hour power bank. I have to say, very impressed with the build quality of this product. It has a very sturdy but light feeling plastic. At only 4 ounces, it's very light and it's also very small, so it's easy to carry, easy to bring with you. You could put it in your pocket and go to a concert, anything like that. You're not going to have any issues. I also like the different accessories that were included. They seem to be of high quality as well. The output from the device was also impressive, and I think that this would provide very quick charging to most cell phones. The capacity at 6700 milliamp hours is going to be able to charge your phone a couple times, at least a newer phone twice, some of the older phones maybe even 3 times. So out of a small device like this, you get a lot of capacity. And then the price of only around $13 on Amazon, check the link in the description to find that, is also a huge plus for this device. If you have any questions about the RAVPower 6700 milliamp hour power bank, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link so that you can find this exact device on Amazon. If you'd like to see more pictures and a write-up about this device, check out my blog, Gauging Gadgets. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.